Right, students. The next question also, one more question I will explain based on invertible, because it's very important. It is given in the board examination, compulsory on 5 marks question. So the little bit different model, ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ 20% different. See, observe that problem. So f is mapping from n to r be a function defined as f of x is equal to 4x square plus 12x plus 15. Show that f is mapping from n to s, where s is the range of f invertible. Find the inverse of f. So here don't confuse students. Here given one function f is mapping from n to r and f of x value and f of x value. One more also given, f is mapping from n to s. Here you read it, where s is the range of f is invertible. In this range we have to prove it is invertible, not in this range. Here domain is natural number, range is real number. Here domain is natural number, range is s. S means nothing but irrational numbers. Irrational numbers are denoted with s or q complement. So in this range we are going to prove. That's why for this function we have to take only this is the domain and codomain, not this. So don't confuse that. So this function is defined in this domain and codomain, but we are going to prove as invertible in this domain and range. So domain is the same, no problem in that. So here codomain only little bit change, but here codomain is real numbers, is irrational number. Irrational numbers is also part of real number. If here it is invertible, we can prove. Correct, students? Right, I am taking that f is mapping from n to s and f of x is equal to 4x square plus 12x plus 15. So now I told to remember 4 steps. First step, what we have to do? We have to take one element in codomain. What is codomain here? Yes. So let y is an element belongs to in S such that f of x is equal to y. Now instead of f of x place f of x value, we are going to replace here 4x square plus 12x plus 15 is equal to y. In the previous problem, students, we have f of x is equal to 4x plus 3 is equal to y. Here we have to make subject x is very easy, but here making x as a subject, it is little bit difficult, because it is given a quadratic equation, it is a linear equation. When the quadratic equation is given, you have to change into completing of squares. Completing of squares means left side value you have to convert a plus b whole square format. How to make it is a plus b whole square format? Very easy. I think you learned in the lower classes. You won't learn. Now you can see that 4x square plus 12x plus 15 is equal to y is given. So you have to convert it is either a plus b whole square. What is formula for a plus b whole square? A square plus 2ab plus b square. That means first term should be in a square format. Can I write it is in square format? Total, not x. 4x square I have to write. So I can express as 2x whole square. Why? Because 2 square is 4x square. So it is converted into a square. Next, the middle term we are bringing into 2ab format. I can take in 12 2 common factor, no problem. 2 after a. Actually what is a here? 2x. So let 2x you can write here. 2 into 2, 4x. Actually middle term what must be there here? 12. 2 into 2, 4 means how much, at what number you should multiply to get 12? 3. Correct, students? Understood? In this 12 I am taking 2 common. Why? We need 2ab. So 2 making common and next a term will be there. According to this problem, what is a square? 2x is a. Let I am writing 2x. 2 into 2 4x, but here we have 12x. You have to multiply 3, then it should be balanced. Now it is 2ab. Next immediately you need b square term, but b square term is not there here. 15 is there. Later we will simplify 15. That's why what is in b actually here? 3. So adding b square, subtracting b square without changing this value. Understood, students? A square plus 2ab. Next immediately we need b square, but b square is not here. That's why according to this term, what is b? 3. That's why we are adding 3 square, subtracting 3 square. These two are cancelled, we left it the same. No problem. And one more value we left here, that is plus 15. Correct, students? Is equal to y. Now I am simplifying. This step is very important. I can write a square plus 2ab plus b square until this a plus b the whole square. Correct, students? After this, what we left here? Minus 3 square. Minus 9 plus 15 is equal to y. So 2x plus 3 whole square. Minus 9 plus 15 is plus how much? 6. That is equal to y. We need x value. That's why first this term you are bringing right side. 2x plus 3 whole square is equal to y minus 6. After that we have to remove this root square. So this square becomes square root. And next we have to remove this 3. So 2x is equal to root over y minus 6. This is plus 3. It goes to minus 3. While writing this is careful. Root is up to here only, not for 3. We need x that is equal to root over y minus 6 minus 3. This 2 is multiplying. We will come to here dividing. Now we got x value. That means such kind of problems you may not get easy x. Such problems you have to completing squares method and convert it. Only that, remaining all is the same. So now I am writing here the students. This is 2x whole square plus this is converting into 2ab. 2 into what is a value? 2x. So at what number you should multiply? You will get 12. 2 into 2 4. 4 into 3 12. So 2ab. If you multiply you will get the middle term, no change. We need again b square term. So b square is not here. That's why adding and subtracting b square. And we left it 15. We are copying that 15 is here. After that we are writing up to this is ax plus b the whole square. After that we have minus 9 plus 15 is equal to y. Next step we have 2x plus 3 whole square minus 9 plus 15 is plus 6 is equal to y. What is your aim? To make x as a subject. So one term you are bringing into right side. So 2x plus 3 whole square is equal to y. This is plus 6 will changes to right side minus 6. After that this square also we have to change into right side. Square becomes a square root. After that we don't want this 3 also. So bringing the right side, here it is plus 3. It will goes to right side minus 3. But careful, this minus 3 is not in root. So root up to here only. Next we have x. X is equal to under root y minus 6 minus 3 upon 2. This is the x value in terms of y. This is we are consider as the another function, new function, which is g. So you are going to write let g be the function. G is maps from where to where? Reverse order. G is mapping S to N defined by So this is in terms of y. You are going to write g of y is equal to root over y minus 6 minus 3 upon 2. So you got f function, g function. Next the step 3 is to calculating composite function. What is composite function of f and g? F circle g and g circle f. Right, students? Now we will go through first g circle f. So I told the last function is f, that's why f domain is in x, that's why I am taking as it is x. G circle f of x. The formula is g of f of x. So g of, you have to simplify the inside function f of x. What is f of x? This is also f of x. We simplified up to this. This is also f of x, which is, this is also f of x. Correct, students? Because y is equal to f of x only. So this is also treated as f of x only, no problem. You can apply this also, but little bit the calculation is a difficult part. That's why you can apply here, you will get easy. So in f of x place, I can write this entire value. What is that? 2x plus 3 whole square plus 6. Now this entire value where we have to replace? In g place. G in where? This is g function. Where is in y? That y place we have to replace. So now I am going to replace, first you are going to write as under root. Y place we are going to replace this entire value in y place, students. 2x plus 3 whole square plus 6, this is y. After we have minus 6, after that minus 3, it is not in root, be careful, under upon 2. Now I can cancel 6 and 6. Next we have 2x plus 3 the whole square, minus 3 is in outside the root, the square and root gets cancelled. We have 2x plus 3 minus 3 upon 2, minus 3 plus 3 gets cancelled, 2x upon 2 gets cancelled. Therefore we have left side g circle f of x is equal to x. See that x and x, so identity function. So g circle f is equal to identity function. What is f input domain? What is f domain here? N. So you are going to write it is n, that is equation 1. So we completed g circle f, students. Now f circle g. So f circle g, g is a function in the domain y. That's why we are going to write the formula g is f circle g of y. So the formula is f of g of y. So f of, what is g of y? G of y we got here, that is root over y minus 6 minus 3 upon 2. So this is in the form of f of x. This entire value we are going to replace on f. Where we have to replace? F means f of x. F of x is here or here. So better to replace is here. Will get easy. Here you can, we have to substitute x square place and x place na. So while simplification is a little bit difficult. That's why you can substitute here. You have only one x. Easy you will get the answer. So where is x? There we are going to replace. So 2, first 2. After we have x, x place this entire value, root over y minus 6 minus 3 upon 2. So 2x is over. Next we have plus 3. After that we have a bracket 2x plus 3 the whole square plus 6. So this is 2x plus 3 the whole square plus 6 is f of x value we substituted here. Now you can simplify. This 2 and 2 gets cancelled. So we have here root over y minus 6 minus 3 plus 3 whole square plus 6. So minus 3 and plus 3 gets cancelled. Root over y minus 6 the whole square plus 6. Square and root gets cancelled. Y minus 6 plus 6 minus 6 is cancelled. We have left side f circle g of y. See that this is y and y. I of x is equal to x condition. So it is an identity function. So f circle g is equal to identity function. This function domain. So what is G domain? This is G. G domain is yes. So this is equation 2. So write next step for from equation 1 and 2 we conclude that f is invertible. F is invertible. If f is invertible, what is f inverse means? G is called f inverse. They are asking f is invertible and find the inverse of f. We need to calculate f inverse y. So g function is in terms of y domain. So g taking y on both sides. So now what is g of y value? Root over y minus 6 minus 3 upon 2, which is equal to f inverse y. But f is a function in terms of x, that's why finally we are writing f inverse x is equal to, where is y? There is x. Under root x minus 6 minus 3 upon 2, this is the invertible function and f inverse value. So like this we have to solve step by step, very easy. So you remember the students, 5 marks question, it is very, very important. Right students, now we will discuss exercise 1.3. It is based on the composite functions and invertible function only. So first problem is given, let f is mapping set of 1 2 3 to set of 1 2 5 and f is equal to set of ordered pair 1 2 3 5 4 1. G is mapping set of 1 2 5 to 1 2 3 1 3 sorry. G is mapping ordered pair. G is equal to set of ordered pair 1 3 2 3 5 1. Write down G circle F. Some cases they will ask write down F circle G and G circle F. So G circle F means it is a composite function. So we can do in different methods. This is by using diagrammatic method, by using formula method, like we can do it. So I will explain in both methods, you can see here. Now I will go through diagrammatic method. So f is a function mapping with two sets. This is we don't know the name of these two sets, not given. So f is a function mapping 1 3 4 and 1 2 5. So from here to here f is a function mapping. How it maps? Given 1 with 2, 3 with 5 and 4 with 1. So like this it maps. See students, f is a function mapping domain and codomain, domain and codomain. So function maps from 1 to 2 association, 3 to 5, 4 to 1. Now there is given one more function which is G. It is also its domain and codomain is given. Domain is 1 to 5. So see here f, this is domain, this is codomain, this is G domain, this is G codomain. If suppose they will ask write down G circle F and F circle G, means first we have to check it whether it is possible or not. I told G circle F we have to possible, G circle F possible only if domain of G is equal to codomain of F. Correct students? See here, domain of G is 123, set of 1 to 5 and codomain F also 1 to 5. That's why G circle F exists. If they will ask F circle G, suppose, So domain of f is equal to codomain of G. What is the domain of f here? Set of 1, 3, 5. What is, 1, 3, 4. What is codomain of G here? Set of 1, 3. So whether these two are equal? No. This is a set with 1, 3, 5, 1, 3, 4. This is a set with 1, 3. You know that two sets are equal if they have the same cardinal number. Cardinal number means illi ಎಷ್ಟು terms ಇರ್ತದೋ అంటే number of elements is 3. Here number of elements is 2. And corresponding elements here 1, 3, 4. Here 1, 3. So there is a shortage of one element. That's why they are not equal. That's why F circle G is not possible. Even though they will ask find F circle G, straight away you have to write F circle G is not possible. Why? Is not possible. They will ask reason why. You have to write domain of F is not equal to codomain of G. That's why F circle G is not possible. G circle F is possible. When it is possible, domain of G is equal to codomain of F. Yes, set of 1 to 5, set of 1 to 5. So G circle F only possible here, students. Right. So F function is over. When writing G function, same F codomain and G domain is the same, correct or not? The same set we are taken. And G codomain is 1, 3. Now the function G is mapping here. F function codomain, G function domain same way. So how the G is maps? 1, 2, 3, 2, 2, 3, 5 to 1. 1 to 5, 5 to 1. So now what is G circle F? We written in the definition, you just recall it. F is mapping from A to B and G is mapping from B to C. Then G circle F is the composite function of F and G, which is maps from B to C. Because these two are equal, we can remove these two. Now the composite function is mapping from A to C. A to C means first set to last set. So therefore G circle F is equal to, what is link with first set to second set? 1 with 2, 2 with 3. So 1, 3, ordered pair 1, 3, 3, 5, 5, 1, 3, 1. Correct, students? 3, 5, 5, 1, 3, 1. Next 4, 1, 1, 3, 4, 3. So this is the G circle F by using diagram. So one more we are using formula also, that we will use. You know very well about G circle F formula. G circle F of x is equal to G of F of x for all x belongs to domain. This is important. So here what is your doubt? What values we have to take in x? We have to take x values in F function domain. What is F function domain? 1, 3, 4. So we have to take input 1, 3, 4 because F of x. Let I am taking x is equal to 1. So G circle F of 1. G of F of 1. Now you can see the students, F of 1. Function F. 1 is related to whom? 2. So you are going to write F of 1, F of 1 value is 2. In the C here, F with 1 is maps how much? F with 1. F with 1 is 2. F with 3 is 5. Correct, our students? Next, F with 4 is 1. Correct, students? Right. Now what is G of 2? See that G function 2 is maps with 3. So you are taken x is equal to 1, you are getting 3. So 1 comma 3 is one ordered pair. Right. Next we are going to take as a G circle F of x place domain input 1 is over next 3. So G of F of 3 formula. G of, what is F of 3? F function with 3, 3 with 5. What is G function in 5? G function in 5, 1. So you are taken 3, you got it as 1. Like G circle f of, what is another input? 4. Formula G of f of 4. So G of, what is f of 4? F with 4, 1. F of 4, f of 4 is 1. So this is G of 1. G of 1 is 3. So you got here taking 4, getting 3. So now G circle F is equal to, you collect all ordered pairs. Here ordered pair 1, 3. Here ordered pair 3, 1. Here ordered pair 4, 3. So you will get the same answer 1, 3, 3, 1, 4, 3, 1, 3, 3, 1, 4, 3. Like this also we can solve the problem. In one more way also. F is a function mapping with 1 with 2, 3 with 5 and 4 with 1. G is a function mapping with 1 with 3, 2 with 3 and 5 with 1. Is it correct, students? 1, 3, 5, you take like this. F is a function, the domain is 1, 3, 4, codomain is 1, 2, 5. In G function, domain is 1, 2, 5, codomain is 1, 3. So F is a function maps 1, 2, 3, 5, 3, 5, 4, 1. Is it correct? 1 with 2 students, 4 with 5. Like G is a function maps, again same 1 to 5. 1 with 3, 2 with 3, 5 with 1. Now you need G circle F, you can write straight away. It is from A to C. G circle F is mapping from A to C. A to C means what is in A place? You are going to write 1, 3, 4, 2, 1, 3. So that we are going to write as 1 with 2, 2 with 3, ordered pair 1, 3, 3 with 5, 5 with 1, 3 comma 1, next 4 with 1, 1 with 3, 4 comma 3 ordered pair. So like this also we can write. So G circle F is possible. Sometimes they will ask what is F circle G. F circle G is not possible. Why it is not possible? Because domain of F is not equal to codomain of G. Like this we have to solve the problems, students.